The smoke alarm in your hallway does not care about your dinner plans. It just reacts to the cloud of grease rising from your stovetop. This is why people flock to the PowerXL Smokeless Grill. It promises a solution to that exact headache. It looks impressive on the counter. You have this generous grilling area. It is big enough to handle 4 steaks at once, or maybe 6 burgers if you're feeding a crowd. It reaches 450 degrees. That is a serious temperature for an indoor unit. The ceramic non-stick plates make cleanup look easy since they are dishwasher safe. For someone in a cramped apartment, it feels like a total win. But the honeymoon phase usually ends right around the 1-year mark. That is when the complaints start piling up about the fan motor. This motor is the only thing standing between you and a kitchen full of haze. When it dies, the grill becomes useless for its primary purpose. The most frustrating part is the company response. They will not sell you a replacement motor. They will not even point you toward a third-party seller. When a manufacturer refuses to provide parts for the most critical component, it tells you everything you need to know. They expect you to treat the entire machine as a disposable item. It is a frustrating cycle of waste. Then there's the matter of the free griddle plate. Marketing teams love the word free. However, you end up paying $16 in shipping for that piece of metal. It is a clever way to mask the true cost of the product. The history of the parent company adds another layer of concern. They have faced significant recalls on other kitchen appliances like juicers and waffle makers. This pattern suggests a focus on high-volume sales rather than long-term durability. You have to ask yourself if you want an appliance or a subscription to a new grill every 2 years. If you are okay with a short lifespan for the sake of convenience, then the math might work for you. It does do the job well while it is functioning. It keeps the smell of grilled salmon out of your curtains. It saves you from standing in the rain to flip a burger. But if you want something built to last, you should probably look elsewhere. There are other options on the market that offer better support in construction. Some competitors provide a more consistent experience without the looming threat of a dead motor. Think about the long game before you swipe your card. A kitchen gadget should serve you. You should not be serving the gadget by constantly replacing it. It is all about managing your expectations. If you know it is a temporary tool, you won't be disappointed when it eventually quits. Just do not expect it to be a family heirloom. It is a tool of convenience for the modern, busy cook who needs a quick fix for indoor searing. Buy it for the function, but stay wary of the longevity. Your kitchen deserves a tool that stays in the fight for more than a few hundred dinners. Be a savvy shopper and look past the shiny finish. The real value is found in the parts you cannot see. When those parts are treated as replaceable junk by the manufacturer, it is a red flag you cannot ignore. Protect your wallet and your kitchen air quality by doing the research first. That is how you win the home cooking game.